In this thrilling video, we bring you 5 groundbreaking concept cars that have the potential to redefine the way we drive and reshape the world as we know it. From futuristic designs to mind-boggling technologies, these concept cars are not just vehicles. They are visionary masterpieces that push the boundaries of imagination. Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. Our first stop on this mesmerizing journey is the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR, a concept car that draws inspiration from the world of Avatar. This stunning creation seamlessly blends organic design elements with groundbreaking technology, allowing the car to establish a deep connection with its driver and the environment. From its futuristic propulsion system to its biometric controls, the Vision AVTR offers a glimpse into a harmonious coexistence between humans and machines. Tesla Cybertruck. Get ready to be awestruck by the Tesla Cybertruck, a revolutionary concept that challenges the very notion of what a pickup truck can be. With its angular design and exoskeleton construction, the Cybertruck boasts unmatched durability and strength. Equipped with cutting-edge electric powertrain technology, this vehicle represents a significant step toward a sustainable and eco-friendly future. BMW Vision Next 100. In our quest for transformative concept cars, we encounter the BMW Vision Next 100, a vehicle that envisions a future where technology seamlessly integrates with human experiences. With its autonomous driving capabilities, augmented reality windshield, and shape-shifting exterior, the Vision Next 100 offers a glimpse into a world where cars adapt to our needs and desires. Nissan IDS Concept. Prepare to be amazed by the Nissan IDS Concept, a vehicle that embraces the future of electric and autonomous driving. With its sleek design and advanced AI technologies, the IDS Concept offers a vision of a world where cars become active partners, anticipating our needs and enhancing our driving experience. From its seamless integration with smart homes to its revolutionary autonomous capabilities, this concept car presents a compelling vision of a connected and sustainable future. Audi AI Trail Quattro. Our final destination takes us to the Audi AI Trail Quattro, an off-road concept that redefines adventure and exploration. With its distinctive design and all-electric powertrain, the AI Trail Quattro merges breathtaking aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. Equipped with advanced sensors and a companion drone, this concept car offers a glimpse into a future where off-road excursions become even more exhilarating and immersive. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey through the realm of concept cars. Remember, the future is just a concept away. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep pushing the limits of what's possible.